Gordon Ramsay opens his first restaurant in the Philippines and I spent pesos for lunch.
Finally, magkakaroon ng check ang isang item sa aking bucket list.
Ano mga kinain ko bukod sa kanyang signature dish na beef Wellington? Magkano ang total bill? At sulit ba?
And obviously, yung pricing niya, it's not for your everyday lunch or dinner.
It's a beautiful day for a food trip. Let's go!
Sa wakas, open na ang Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill. Beef Wellington, come to Papa! So yung menu nila, medyo limited lang. But I'm assuming ito yung mga best of the best na talaga nila. Siyempre kasama yung Gordon Signature Beef Wellington. The reason why we're here. Hanap na lang tayo ng pwedeng isama dyan. Okay din daw to, yung crispy crab cake and caviar. Order tayo yan. And syempre risotto. Napapanood din natin yan sa Hell's Kitchen. And I've heard great things din sa kanilang burger. Try din natin yan. Napanood ko rin sa vlog yung aged steak tartar. Try din natin. And for dessert later, order kami ng sticky toffee pudding. That is the world famous beef Wellington. Wow! So excited to see it in person. And yan, meron silang open kitchen dito. Na wala namang nagsisigawan. Very pleasant mga chef. Yan. Sila ang bahala sa food natin ngayon. Sila magluluto. Grabe sunod-sunod yung mga orders, oh. Grabe, look at that color. Beautiful color. Mamaya, hintayin natin na may order para i-slice. Makita natin ng malapitan. Check out that beautiful cut of beef Wellington. Salt for flavor. Nice. Ready for service. Ayan. Narin na ang appetizers natin.
This is the crispy crab cake with Ochetra caviar on top.
Thank you.
With hollandaise. Next one is the aged steak tartar
Nice.
with egg yolk on top. And the best way to enjoy the aged steak tartar is mix all together and scoop the chips with the aged steak.
Alright, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So yan, i-mix daw. Oh. Tapos sabi ni sir,
Yes,
ito
the best
daw,
way to enjoy scoop.
didip doon.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you, sir.
There you go. And then this
Tapos
one,
ito, sir, ay poached egg, tapos hollandaise sauce yung nasa.
hollandaise sauce, tapos crab meat, pure
Crab
crab meat yun, and then breaded, tapos with Ochetra caviar on top.
Oh,
Sa
nice,
caviar
nice.
po.
Okay, okay.
And then baby asparagus po.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow! Look at that beautiful poached egg. Start muna tayo sa complimentary bread. So warm. Tapos yung labas parang ang crispy. Looks really buttery. Wow! Looks soft. Tapos ari daw ay seaweed butter. May nori flakes. Oh, naparami. Yain na! Yan. First bite. Thank you, Lord! Wow! Really warm, toasty, may konting lemon flavor. Good start. Tapos ito, yan, sabi ni sir, best way daw, yan, i-dip mo siya. Really fresh tasting, yung freshness nung herbs na ginamit. Tapos hindi siya malansa. Wow, para siyang hindi tartar eh. Yung mga dishes na to, ito yung nagsaseparate sa mga restaurants like this, sa ibang restaurant. It takes a lot of expertise to master a dish like this. Try nga natin papakin. It's not appetizing to look at, pero ang sarap. Nice. Tapos ito, crab cake. So ito, pure crab cake daw, breaded, deep fried, with a poached egg, tapos hollandaise sauce, and then yung caviar yan. Lagyan na natin lahat. Yan. At that bite. Wow. Una mong mararamdaman, yung pagka-crispy niya, yung a little salty flavor from the breading, and then yung creaminess ng yolk, tapos pagka-salty ng caviar, and then yung crab flavor, pure crab talaga yung ginamit dito, pure crab meat. Wow! Mga appetizer pa lang nila. Sobrang worth it na. Ito yung mga dishes na if I don't stop eating, masama ng tingin sa akin ni Aisha dahil mahilig yan sa crab cake. Pero between the two, mas gusto ko tong tartar. Tapos yan, may bar din sila pero since sobrang aga pa at marami pa kami lakad mamaya, mocktails na lang tayo. Yan, sinasabi sa inyo kailangan kong tirhan yan niya. Ang sarap daw. Tapos kakatuwa na meet ko si Chef Ronnie. What a character. Sobrang bait. Pero alam mo talaga na very professional sa kitchen. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, parang na-meet ko na rin si Chef Gordon Ramsay sa kanya. Kasi talagang he works really closely with Chef Gordon Ramsay. Tapos sabi niya, matangkad pala si Chef Gordon Ramsay. He's 6'4". Wow! Tapos ganun yung character niya, ganun yung personality niya, ganun yung expertise niya. Wow. Sana ma-meet ko siya soon. For now, makukontento muna ako sa pagkain ng kanyang signature beef Wellington. Pero appetizer muna tayo. Oh, si Chef pa yung nag-serve sa amin.
I'm gonna put it all here so you can share it, okay?
Wow, this is it. And then the burger. Nice.
Baron Gold Burger.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Chef.
And here's the red bell pepper risotto with
Nice.
parmesan cheese on top.
Thank you, thank you.
This sauce is, we call it red wine juice.
Nice. Yan na. For the longest time since I started watching Hell's Kitchen, ari na ang beef Wellington, the signature dish of Chef Gordon Ramsay. Ari yung ipinupukol niya pag hilaw. Wow. Looks really tender. Tapos yung puff pastry, crispy. Tapos with the red wine juice. Yan, so ito yung anatomy na isang beef Wellington. Puff pastry, tapos mushroom duxelle, and then beef tenderloin. Nari daw ay galing Australia yung beef tenderloin. And then yung red wine na sauce. Yan. My first taste of Chef Gordon Ramsay's signature dish, the beef Wellington. That was quite an experience. Yung crispy na puff pastry na merong konting sweetness, and then yung mushroom duxelle na earthy, tapos may konting buttery flavor, and then yung pinaka beef Wellington really, really tender. Almost like nothing. Tignan nyo naman yan. Just like butter. So is it as good as I expected it to be? This dish really exceeded my expectations. And then ito yung red pepper risotto. Ito's beautiful color, very vibrant. Yung orange na risotto. Tapos colors from the red pepper yan. Tapos may green. Tapos may red. Ito yung bell pepper. So yan. And cheesy as well. Yan. Really heavy on the bell pepper flavor. Tapos really creamy as well, cheesy. Not sure kung ano itong nasa ibabaw. Parang some form of cheese ball. Not sure. Parang natin mamaya. Parang cheese ball nga. Tapos you can also taste the basil in here. Yan na rin naman. Pwede kayang iuwi remembrance. Yan. Chef Gordon Ramsay. So ito yung burger niya. Wow! This looks like a proper burger. Thick patty. Tapos may konting cheese. I'm seeing cucumber, tomatoes, lettuce. Tapos kita niyo yung grill marks nung brioche bun. Let's try it. Dalawa nag-stand out dito. Yung pagka-beefy nung patty, tapos yung pagka-dense nung brioche bun. Wow, and freshness ng ingredients. Tapos with the fries or chips sa kanila. Wow! So combo na to. Mas na-enjoy ko tong fries. Tapos ito, may smoky flavor din eh. Dahil nga doon sa pagkaka-grill. Kung gusto mo isang beef dish lang, might as well go for the beef Wellington. If there's one dish na babalikan ko dito, of course, it's the beef Wellington. Itong beef Wellington, ano siya eh, kung ang hanap mo ay yung lasa ng baka, na steak talaga, might as well. May mga steak dishes din sila dito and I've heard na masarap din daw. Yun ang orderin nyo. Kasi ito talaga, it's a marriage of different flavors eh. Hindi lang yung sarap ng tenderloin yung matitikman mo dito. Tapos itong risotto, I wanted mushroom risotto, sayang wala sila ng mushroom risotto. Yun yung lagi ring luto sa ano eh, Hell's Kitchen eh. Pero ito sarap din eh, kasi mahilig ako sa red bell pepper na flavor. So this is nice. Tapos ang ganda ng ambience dito kasi alam mo na fine dining siya pero it's not intimidating. Hindi siya stuffy, hindi siya ganun. Parang may enjoy mo pa rin siya. Makapag-focus ka sa sarap ng pagkain. And I also have to commend the service. Yung wait staff nila, ang gagaling, babait, very pleasant. Kasi Aisha, na-enjoy niya yung burger. Pero ako talaga sa combo na to. Etong fries talaga ang nagustuhan ko. Kasi really crispy, tapos yung loob niya, mushy. Almost like mashed potato yung loob, tapos yung labas, very crispy. Sarap kahit walang ketchup. Meron talaga akong dalawang pangarap sa buhay when it comes to Chef Gordon Ramsay. Una, masigawan niya sa kusina at matawag na idiot sandwich. At pangalawa, masubukan yung kanyang signature dish, yung beef Wellington. And today, na-achieve natin ang isang goal. So yung Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill, para talaga siya sa mga fans si Gordon Ramsay. And obviously yung pricing niya, it's not for your everyday lunch or dinner. More of a special occasion type of lunch or dinner. And kami, wala naman kami special occasion, pero doon kami sa unang classification, yung mga fans ni Chef Gordon Ramsay and very curious sa lasa ng mga pagkain niya.
Who's having that?
Magkakape muna. Americano. Ari din daw yung bagay sa ano eh, doon sa sticky toffee na dessert. Saka yung kabusugan na yun, kailangan talaga magkape. And speaking of kabusugan, I have to commend the chef, saka mga cooks, and the whole kitchen staff. Napakasarap ng luto nyo. Keep up the good work. Saka sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill, congratulations, saka good luck. Ngayon, soft opening pa lang. So we can expect bigger, better things in the coming weeks. For now, super na-enjoy namin yung experience namin. Oh, wow. So ito na yung sticky toffee pudding. So hindi siya chocolate, mukha lang siyang chocolate pero dates daw yan. Tapos ito yung butterscotch, kaya naging toffee siya. Tapos merong vanilla ice cream. Tapos yan, the best way daw ay pagsamasamahin. And mukha lang daw siyang bake pero ito steam. Wow! Ang daya, para siyang chocolate. That's really moist. Pero lasa mo yung dates flavor. Tapos kita mo yung pagka-moist na talaga. Oh. Tapos sweet, kasi yung dates sweet naman yan eh. Tapos syempre yung mayroong butterscotch. Tapos ang ganda ng addition ng vanilla ice cream. Wow! Yung meal na yung kanina, kailangan talaga ng malupit na dessert. And this is it. Tapos dahil matamis siya, bagay na bagay talaga siya sa Americano. Ayan, so again, kung fan kayo ni Gordon Ramsay and or interested kayo to try his dishes, try nyo na sa Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill. Nandito na sa Pilipinas. Mag-isip na kayo na special occasion para masubukan nyo to. At huwag niyong kakalimutan magpa-reserve kasi ngayon talaga ay fully booked sila. Lalagay ko yung link dito. Pwede niyo sila i-contact sa fan page nila para makapagpa-reserve kayo. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you for joining me. Sana nabusog kayo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, make sure to click on the subscribe button and notification bell and watch my other vlog right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit.